Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, you've handed us a really intriguing stack of sources today, and they all seem to point towards one undeniable truth: the world of yachting. It's undergoing this quiet but pretty profound electronic revolution.
Yeah, absolutely. It's quite something.
So our mission today is to really cut through the jargon, understand how this modern marine tech isn't just, enhancing things,
Right.
but fundamentally transforming the whole yacht experience, making it safer, more comfortable, incredibly efficient, and surprisingly, even more sustainable.
And what's truly revolutionary, I think, is how these systems have shifted. They're not just add-ons anymore.
No.
They've become like the central nervous system of a modern vessel. It's profoundly changing our expectations of what a yacht can actually do.
Yeah, what it means to be out on the water.
Exactly. It's less about just adding gadgets and much more about creating this integrated, intelligent ecosystem.
That's a really critical distinction, isn't it? We're moving beyond simple tools. In fact, looking through this material, it suggests that for, comfort, safety, efficiency, these advanced electronics are basically non-negotiable now.
They really are.
It's not just about luxury anymore. It feels more fundamental. It's about making the whole journey more intuitive, more secure. But what exactly defines this new generation of, let's call it, essential marine tech?
Well, if we look at the core characteristic that keep popping up in these sources, we're talking about seamless integration.
Okay.
Systems that just talk to each other effortlessly. High reliability, which is crucial, designed for that incredibly harsh marine environment.
Right, saltwater, motion.
Exactly. And surprisingly, user-friendly control panels. They're compact, they're weatherproof, and often you can control them right from your phone or tablet.
That convenience factor.
It provides immense peace of mind. So for you, the listener, this means a significantly simplified experience, a much more elevated one. Doesn't matter if you're planning a long offshore trip or just a short cruise. The key takeaway seems to be that these systems now shoulder a lot of the operational complexity, leaving you free to just enjoy the journey.
And what the biggest leaps, I think we'd agree, is tackling that age-old challenge, being truly disconnected offshore.
Oh, definitely.
For years, the further you sailed, the more cut off you were. But that narrative is, well, it's changing fast.
It really is.
Well, we're seeing some groundbreaking solutions now that keep you connected pretty much no matter how far out you go.
Yeah, it's quite remarkable.
I mean, systems like the MDS blender and Starlink Maritime are mentioned here as absolute game changers.
They are.
I'm fascinated by how they actually pulled this off. Can you elaborate a bit? How do they deliver such robust connectivity when, traditional options often just fail?
Well, it's quite clever, actually. Think of the MDS blender, almost like a master chef for internet signals.
Okay, I like that analogy.
It takes ingredients from every available source. Could be satellite, 5G cellular, maybe shore Wi-Fi if you're close enough.
Right.
And it blends them seamlessly into one super fast, ultra reliable connection. It intelligently prioritizes bandwidth.
Oh.
So you get that robust connectivity, even when a single source system would struggle or drop out completely.
Okay.
And then you couple that with something like Starlink Maritime's low latency, high-speed satellite internet, and suddenly those communication black holes we just used to accept at sea, they're pretty much gone.
So it's not just about having internet, it's about having a consistent high-performance connection.
Exactly. Performance is key.
What does that truly unlock for, say, a yacht owner and their crew? What's the real-world impact?
Well, this is where the impact just broadens massively. Staying in touch with family, with business that's no longer a maybe, it's a given.
Right. Expected now.
You can stream movies, access platforms on demand, get real-time navigation updates, manage remote systems on the yacht through apps, and for the crew, it means vital communication, critical software updates for the vessel systems, smoother onboard operations, even remote diagnostics if something seems off.
Wow.
All of that dramatically enhances safety and productivity. The surprising thing, maybe, is how this transforms the very utility of your yacht.
How so?
It can become a fully functional remote office, a global communication hub, maybe even a floating classroom for kids.
Huh. Never thought of that.
That incredible freedom and functionality, it really makes global connectivity a reality. It reshapes your entire time offshore.
Okay, speaking of seamless experiences, let's shift gears a bit to onboard entertainment. Because for a long time, yacht entertainment felt like, a compromise compared to what you have at.
Definitely a step down, usually.
But these sources, they're painting a very different picture now. They describe setups that don't just rival, but often surpass the best home systems.
It's true. The standards have really risen.
We're seeing mentions of custom-designed marine audio-video systems. Concord Marine Electronics is one example given, providing these fully immersive sound and visual experiences. And sophisticated control systems. Like Concord Marine, they're mentioned again here.
Yeah, they're big in this space.
Acting as the sort of sophisticated brains behind the yacht's integrated smart controls, delivering smart audio zones, incredible surround sound, seamless video streaming.
It really is about bringing that cinematic experience, or maybe a high-fidelity concert hall, right onto your vessel.
Exactly.
And what's truly fascinating here, I think, is the expectation it sets. The idea is you shouldn't have to sacrifice your entertainment quality just because you're at sea.
Right. Why should you?
These systems use waterproof, high-fidelity speakers specifically designed for the marine environment. They offer multi-room sound options.
So different music in different areas.
Precisely. Seamless compatibility with pretty much any AV source you can think of. And stunning 4K UHD video support, often with custom setups tailored exactly to your yacht's layout.
Tailored, okay.
It fundamentally redefines what a yacht can be. A private concert hall, a cinema, a gaming lounge, all while you're cruising. The aha moment is realizing you don't just have entertainment, you have an experience that's curated specifically for the marine environment.
Enhancing every moment on board.
That's the goal.
Okay, so with our yacht now fully connected and highly entertaining, let's turn back to its primary purpose, navigating the open sea, safely, confidently.
The fundamentals.
Exactly. And this is where precision navigation steps in, really transforming how we journey. We're seeing incredibly advanced systems from trusted brands. Raymarine, Garmin, Furuno are mentioned.
Yeah, the big names.
Making this easier and safer than ever before.
It's a different world from even 15, 20 years ago.
And these aren't just standalone devices anymore, are they? They're integrated systems.
Totally integrated.
Combining radar, GPS chart plotting, autopilot, all in one, usually very intuitive, easy to use interface.
Often touchscreen.
Right, with those touch screens, real-time weather updates, navigation has never felt more precise. The materials even highlight specific Raymarine products, features like Real Vision 3D sonar. How does something like that fundamentally change a captain's decision-making process?
Well, this raises that crucial point about reducing human error, doesn't it? And enhancing situational awareness at sea.
Definitely.
Real Vision 3D sonar. It isn't just a prettier picture of what's below you.
Okay.
It's about dramatically reducing the chance of, say, prop damage from uncharted rocks or debris. It offers a proactive safety layer that traditional 2D sonar just can't match.
Ah, so it's preventative.
Very much so.
Yeah.
And these integrated systems, they enable incredibly efficient route planning. They offer real-time monitoring of weather, sea conditions. They connect seamlessly to the autopilot systems.
For precision course holding.
Exactly. Even when conditions get challenging. The real game changer, I think, is how they shift navigation from being mostly reactive to being much more predictive. That gives captains and you, the owner, unparalleled confidence on the water. It's about knowing not just where you are, but knowing exactly what's ahead, beneath, and all around you.
Reducing stress, enhancing safety.
Yeah, absolutely. Peace of mind again.
But, okay, beyond the, let's say, immediate luxuries and practicalities, there's this broader, more critical current shaping yachting's future. Sustainability.
A huge topic now.
And guess what? Electronics are apparently leading the charge here, too. It's no longer just about, ticking boxes for compliance. It seems to be about genuinely greener operations.
It has to be.
My question is, though, how do these seemingly disparate technologies really contribute to a more eco-friendly yachting experience? It sounds like intuitively, more electronics means more power consumed, not saved.
Yeah, that's a common thought and a fair one. But the beauty is really in the smart management.
Okay. Explain.
Energy-efficient electronics, the components themselves, actually reduce the strain on your onboard generators and batteries compared to older tech.
Right.
But beyond that, think of smart systems actively monitoring usage. They can automatically deactivate unnecessary loads, lights in empty rooms, certain pumps when not needed during idle periods.
Ah, intelligent conservation.
Exactly. This significantly improves battery life and, crucially, cuts fuel consumption from generators.
Yeah.
It minimizes your carbon footprint.
Okay.
And then you have hybrid propulsion systems. They absolutely rely on sophisticated digital monitoring and control interfaces to optimize that switch between electric and diesel power.
Making it seamless and efficient.
Seamless, safe, and incredibly efficient. Plus, renewable energy tools, solar panel controllers, advanced battery management systems, they're now fully integrated into helm display.
So you can see what's happening in real time.
Real time. Captains track power, input, output, storage. They can make informed decisions to maximize the use of green energy.
So it's about intelligent consumption, maximizing every watt generated or captured. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, tightening environmental regulations, increasing owner demand for eco-friendly solutions, this isn't just a nice to have anymore, is it?
Oh, absolutely not. This is becoming a strategic imperative. These electronics offer things like precise solar power monitoring and optimization.
Okay.
Intelligent energy load balancing across all systems. Smart lighting and climate control that adapt automatically. And predictive maintenance, this is a huge one.
How does that help sustainability?
By identifying potential equipment issues before they cause breakdowns. That reduces waste from replacing parts prematurely and extends the lives of expensive equipment.
Makes sense.
So for you, investing in these tools lets your yacht minimize its environmental impact without sacrificing an ounce of comfort or performance.
It's a win-win.
It really is. It enhances long-term yacht value, aligns with a more responsible approach to the marine environment. It's about being proactive, not just reactive, in environmental stewardship.
That's a powerful shift. But it's not just about these individual systems operating in isolation, right? It's about how everything works together for comprehensive control and safety.
Integration is everything.
So let's dive into how things like digital switching systems are completely transforming the helm and really the entire vessel.
Yeah, this is a big change from the old way.
I see mention of Crest-run marine systems again here, but this time specifically for digital switching. What's the tangible difference? How does managing functions with these new systems compare to, flicking a bank of old school physical switches?
Oh, it's night and day. It's like upgrading from, a rotary phone to the latest smartphone.
Okay.
Old toggle switches and knobs meant a jungle of wiring behind the panels, limited flexibility, often a really crowded helm.
Right, confusing sometimes.
Digital switching systems, like those from Crestron and others, replace all that physical complexity with software. You manage everything: lighting, HVAC, pumps, entertainment, blinds, you name it, from one single touch screen, often customized exactly how you like it. This doesn't just simplify operations dramatically. It massively reduces the amount of wiring needed.
Less weight, less complexity.
Less weight, less potential failure points, and it frees up valuable space. You get one-touch controls for entire scenes, like a leaving dock scene or evening entertaining.
Presets.
Exactly. Touchscreen customization, remote monitoring capabilities, even smartphone integration. You could adjust the climate control or turn on deck lights before you even step back on board.
That sounds like a dream for an owner, definitely. But what about the crew? How do these sophisticated electronics actually improve efficiency and safety for everyone working on the yacht, from the captain down to the deckhands?
For the crew, it's a profound leap in what we could call operational intelligence.
Okay.
We're talking about advanced bridge communication tools, enhancing coordination between crew members, sophisticated engine monitoring, often with predictive analytics built in.
Predicting problems.
Yeah, flagging potential issues before they become critical failures. Onboard diagnostics that help troubleshoot quickly. Digital logbooks that automate a lot of the tedious record keeping.
Saves time.
Saves huge amounts of time. Plus, precise tank level monitors, remote engine readouts available anywhere on the vessel, automated safety alerts. It means the crew is constantly informed. They can be proactive rather than just reacting to problems. Centralized monitoring dashboards give this holistic view of the vessel's health. It streamlines workflow, reduces errors, and ultimately contributes to higher guest satisfaction because everything just runs smoother and safer.
It's like giving the crew superhuman oversight.
In a way, yes. Augmenting their skills and awareness.
And of course, for peace of mind, especially when you're maybe not physically on the yacht, modern security systems must be a huge part of this electronic revolution.
Absolutely critical.
What are the advancements there that really make a difference, beyond just a few cameras?
Oh, it's far more than just cameras now, though the cameras are better too. Modern security systems are integrated to protect your guests, crew, and the asset itself, 24/7, whether you're docked or at sea.
Okay.
We're talking HD, marine-grade cameras built for the conditions, motion sensors, remote monitoring apps that push real-time alerts straight to your phone or tablet if something's detected.
Instant notification.
Sophisticated alarm systems. Robust access control, maybe using key fobs or codes to restrict entry to specific areas. And crucially, many systems now feature night vision and thermal imaging.
So visibility in all conditions.
Day, night, fog, rain. Plus, historical footage storage for a comprehensive review if an incident occurs. The really revolutionary part, though, that's emerging is AI-driven analytics.
AI and security, how?
Systems that can start to differentiate between, say, a large wave hitting the side versus a potential intruder trying to board. They can autonomously secure sensitive areas, maybe lock certain doors, and alert authorities or the captain without constant human monitoring being required.
Wow, shifting security from reactive to actually predictive.
That's the direction it's heading. True predictive security.
Okay, and finally, we can't overlook advanced power management and energy efficiency. You touched on it with sustainability, but it's really the heartbeat keeping everything running, isn't it?
It is the unsung hero.
How do these systems ensure yachts run smoothly, reliably, especially if you're planning extended periods offshore?
Well, these systems are crucial for keeping everything humming reliably. They provide real-time usage statistics, which allows for incredibly precise energy budgeting.
Yeah.
You know exactly what you're using.
No guesswork.
No guesswork. You have backup battery systems that can seamlessly kick in if the primary source fails, providing that essential peace of mind. Smart inverter chargers optimize the flow of power between AC and DC systems, charging batteries efficiently. And as we discussed, seamless integration with solar or other backup power sources like generators. The implications are enormous. Extended autonomy at sea, reduced reliance on noisy, fuel-burning generators.
Right.
And significantly lower operational costs over the long term. It's about achieving true energy independence and resilience out there.
It really does sound like it.
And what's truly fascinating, stepping back, is seeing how all these interconnected systems work holistically.
Yes.
They benefit the entire yacht from the deck right down to the engine room. They streamline operations, they enhance safety protocols, and ultimately they protect your investment, your guests, and your crew. It just makes the whole experience more resilient, more efficient, and frankly, more enjoyable.
So what does this all mean? Taking it all in, we've covered this incredible transformation from, basic navigation tools decades ago to these fully integrated, sustainable, truly smart vessels. It's clear that yachting today is almost unrecognizable from even, say, 10, 15 years ago.
It really is. It means modern boating electronics aren't just a fancy collection of sophisticated gadgets anymore. They represent this fundamental shift toward a more connected, safer, definitely more enjoyable, and increasingly environmentally responsible future for yachting. They offer unparalleled comfort, operational efficiency, and just a profound sense of peace of mind when you're out there.
The yacht isn't just a vessel anymore.
No, it's becoming an intelligent, self-sufficient, deeply integrated platform for exploration and leisure.
Okay, so here's a final thought for you, our listener, to mull over. Considering how deeply integrated these systems are becoming and their massive impact on everything from safety right through to sustainability, how might this shape the actual design and maybe even the crew needs of yachts, say, a decade from now?
Interesting question.
Will we start seeing partially autonomous yachts becoming commonplace? Or perhaps entirely new roles emerging on board, maybe digital navigators or systems officers working alongside traditional captains? What new essential electronics might we even be talking about then?